hypothenar eminence.
Where's the thenar? Show me the thenar.
Yeah, now we have to talk one at a time. Then I'll get back to that.
So
this one over here is called, well, I'm not going to stop in the middle of a sentence and start it over again, because that could repeat endlessly, and we'll only get, one sentence completed in the whole period if that keeps happening.
Okay.
So then the one over here at the base of proximal to the fifth finger, here is the hypothenar eminence. Note that now there are some common denominator features of these. Each of them has three muscles in it. A flexor, an abductor, a flexor, and an opponens muscle. And I mentioned these in the handout. So then in both eminentia, the two superficial ones are the abductor and the flexor, with the abductors being more to the outside of the hand, and the flexors being more internal. And then inside, or more toward the middle of the hand, inside here is an opponens muscle. So this is the thenar eminence, and this is the thumb or pollex. The adjective form of pollex is pollicus. So here we have the abductor pollicus brevis, the flexor pollicus brevis, and then in there, the opponens pollicus. Okay. And the opponens is internal. Okay. Then over here, we have the abductor digiti minimi. That's the official name for the little finger. Digiti minimi means little finger. The abductor digiti minimi, the flexor digiti minimi brevis, and then inside, the opponens digiti minimi. Okay, so just note both eminentia have two superficial muscles and one deep muscle. And the two superficial muscles are an abductor, see here, and an abductor. They're the ones toward the outside and the inside of the hand. A flexor and a flexor, and an opponens and an opponens. Okay?
Can you say that one more time?
Yeah, abductor and abductor, okay. Flexor and flexor, and then inside, opponens and opponents. Okay, and then these are very important because one of the hallmarks of the larger primates is the ability to produce opposition of the thumb, and the opponens muscles are involved in producing the opposition. Okay, all of the large primates can do that. In fact, the smaller primates can do it as well. It's a primate characteristic. We are the ones who have the greatest degree of opposition, possible opposition, however. So you should know the thenar eminence and its three muscles, and the hypothenar eminence and its three muscles. Then in this webbing of skin,